Hi guys, Dad Gardener here. I'm your host Jace Bowen. Welcome to episode 56, and today I'm going to plant some hostas. I have a couple of hostas here, mouse ears and lemon lime. I got them from the garden show 1 year ago and they've been sitting in these pots. So it's time to plant them, and let's see how we go. Put the larger one there, and then I'll put the smaller one there. Okay. I was going to divide them up, but I don't think I will on this occasion. I'll let them get a bit larger before I start dividing them, and that way I can also do another episode as well. As you can see, they're very pot bound, and they're not going to come out so easy. They're going to die right off in winter time, so I'm going to have to put some sticks so I know where they are as well. Ground's super dry because of the summer. I could probably divide this one, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to let it grow. I'd rather a nice big clump so that I can divide up later on than both plants dying. So I'm just going to leave them like that. That's mouse ears and that's lemon lime. There. Get the hose running. I'll give them a quick drink. There. That's about it. We'll let them go, and I'll cover them over later and put some sticks there. This is only a short episode today, but thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my videos, give us a thumbs up, a like or a comment, and we'll see you on the next episode. Catch you later.